Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Kris Gethin here, and I'm going to put you guys through a push-pull workout. The way that I like to do my push-pull workouts are through antagonistic supersets. So we're going to start off with a decline press here right now, to make sure that we target the lower portion of the pecs. Okay? So I'll generally hit a set of around anywhere between like 12 and 15 repetitions on that particular day. If I feel good at around 10 or 12 repetitions, that's a rep range I'm going to hit. On other days I feel better at about 16, 18 repetitions, so I'll target that rep range, so you follow a little bit of instinctive adaptation. I'm going to hold this at a narrow grip. If I go too wide, it's going to target a little bit more of my rear delts. I want to target a little bit more of my traps here. Overhand grip, elbows pointing up high and up. As I was hitting my traps here, I can feel that my lower pecs are recovering, so I don't need much rest whatsoever. I can pretty much rest now for about 15-20 seconds, if that, and then I can start again. If you feel that you need a little bit more rest in between your sets, just to replenish your ATP, get your breath back, and put in your full force and optimize that set, then take a little bit longer. Okay, so the next superset that we're going to be doing in this push-pull workout is going to be a flat press, and then I'm immediately going to follow that with a bent over row. Now when I do the bent over row, I need to make sure that my back is parallel to the floor. So whether you're doing a T-bar row or bent over row or pendulum row, make sure that you are parallel, because again, you're trying to incorporate and mimic the same sort of angle as you did throughout the press. Press and then pull. So as you can see, we mimicked this movement with the same angle as we did with a bench press. Whilst I was performing that movement, I felt that my chest is adequately recovering, so I can pretty much go straight back into that bench press, just allowing my breath to get back, oxygenate my blood, and get straight back into it. Remember, if you are holding onto a little bit of weight, you're a little bit more muscular, you are going to get out of breath a little bit faster, but that's okay. We're supposed to be keeping the intensity there, and that's why I do suggest that you do perform cardio on a daily basis, just to ensure that you can optimize these intense push-pull workouts. Alright, so the third exercise that I like to do within this push-pull workout for chest and back is an incline press. So we're going to be angled like this, and then I'm going to reverse that for back, where I'll be doing a chin. You can do a chin, you can do a lat pull down, whatever you wish, as long as you're hitting that similar sort of angle to what we're going to be targeting now to finish off this chest and back workout. So again, I can feel while I'm hitting the lats, the chest is fully recovering. I'm able to stretch as I'm contracting my opposing or antagonistic muscle, being the lats. So I'm stretching my upper chest, which is allowing me to recover and recuperate, so I can go back in and obliterate that upper pec area again with fully optimization with recovery intact. So keep these workouts intense. That's just one of the other principles that you should be applying to advance your push-pull workouts. Alright guys, so that is day one, chest and back of this push-pull workout. If you like this video, if you have any questions whatsoever, please comment below and like and subscribe.